All right, I just got the green light. It looks like we are ready to go. Good morning, everyone. Whew, I'm super happy to be back, and welcome back to you guys. Welcome back to the live stream where we first review the watch list and we trade the market open every day. I hope everyone had a really good, healthy weekend. I'll talk about my weekend in a second, but first of all, today is Monday. Just get the housekeeping out of the way. It's Monday the 20th. Talk about why that's special in a second, of April, and it's 9:16 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we got another 15 minutes till the market opens at 9:30, like 14 minutes, and we'll wrap up trading between 10:30 and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Usually I'll probably be wrapping up a little bit earlier this time because I'm still like a little bit sick, probably about 85% back to normal. Check the video description below for some FAQs, and let's dive into things. Oh, actually, okay, let's really dive into things, because today, I already wrote in the chat room, but today's my brother's birthday, Heiko. he's in the chat room as South Florida Fishing Channel. He's got a killer fishing channel. I'm sure most of you guys already know that, and a lot of you guys are even here because of his channel, so that's pretty awesome. So definitely, if you haven't done so already, give Heiko a happy birthday, and the best way to do that is leave a comment on his last video and just be like, I don't know, make fun of him or something. But definitely go ahead and wish him a happy birthday there. That way it'll be there forever, unless he deletes it, but I don't think he'll do that. Today I actually started off saying okay, so hopefully no, we're not going to have streaming issues here. One second. Let me quickly check something. Okay. So hopefully we get some better internet here. I'm not really sure why it's super down, but let me quickly re-say what I said. Just Gideon, the stream is rough. It just caught what I had. Yeah, you're probably right. Let me just say quickly let me go through a few things again here. First of all, it's Heiko's birthday. That's my brother, for those of you guys who don't know. And you guys should all go ahead and leave a comment on his YouTube channel. He's there in this chat room right now, South Florida Fishing Channel. So go ahead and check out one of his last videos. Make sure to leave something funny there, maybe happy birthday, so he can always see it. I'm not really sure what you guys just got or not, because I have these streaming issues again. It's super annoying. We actually had a pretty good last week, streaming wise, but I told myself today, this is kind of funny, that I most likely won't be streaming or trading today, and and then I saw a really nice setup with NBY pre-market, and I also almost never trade pre-market. So we could talk about this trade a little bit as well, but this was one of the lead gappers with a 16 million float and a catalyst, and it was running up right here, really healthy, 130% pre-market, and I was like, that's looking pretty nice. We were kind of consolidating about around VWAP, holding the highs really well, and there's big support here at 1.5 long-term multi-month support. So as we were kind of breaking back above this level with some decent volume coming in here, I went ahead and entered this trade. I was looking for a kind of a double top here in this area near former highs, and that's why I went ahead and made this trade. I see the lag is really bad. That's super annoying today. All right, 1 second here. Might go ahead and restart it again. 1 second. Any like function off?
Yeah, I'm off.
Okay.
Mobile anyways. I can root my. It's not gonna make much of a difference, but I can root my other computer through.
If you're not using it too much, you'll be fine.
Yeah, the Skype conference is off.
Okay. Thanks. Okay, so hopefully it's going to get a little bit better now, but I'm not totally sure why we're having so many issues. Streaming's dropping quality. Just a stressful little situation. But okay, guys, right now I'm getting good stream quality message from YouTube. So I'm just gonna go ahead and totally start over for like the 4th time. I hope that we have good connection. Let me know if anything is better in the chat room connection wise. This is really unfortunate. I'm just gonna not say anything until the feed gets better. I appreciate that, Peter. Last few days just weren't the same. Okay, so for me, YouTube is just telling me the internet is right now excellent, so I'm not really sure what to do. So I'm just gonna continue this as normal. All right. I'll start from scratch, basically. Let's see. We don't have that much time till the clock, but overall, good morning, everyone. First of all, I do want to say that it is Heiko's birthday, my brother. He's in the chat room here at South Florida Fishing Channel. So definitely go ahead and give Heiko a little happy birthday. Maybe go over to his channel, check out one of his last YouTube videos, and make sure to write something funny there. Yeah, so happy birthday, Heiko. And we'll be on a call later today. I actually said that I wouldn't trade today, but I did do a little pre-market trade with our lead gapper, NBY. We were gapping up over 100%. There was a catalyst, 16 million float, and we were consolidating here on multi-month support and resistance right here at 1.5. So I basically bought that and I sold near the double top here. I thought there was a good chance we might break higher, but I didn't really want to take any unnecessary risk, and I already traded with a tiny position size, like half of my position size. So that's why the profits aren't too much, but this was a pretty good trade. This was about 11% trade, so not too shabby here. Also, one more thing, and we only have 4 more minutes till the market opens, guys. I apologize about the bad internet this morning. That's just day in the life of Alex with internet issues. So I wanted to quickly let you guys know here. For anyone that's interested, here's a Discord link. I went ahead and opened it up for you guys. And this one never expires because I know with the first one, I heard there was some expiration issues. So for the next 100 people, you guys can access to this. I don't know, like right here, like I said, it's going to fill up fast or slow, but we'll see what happens. I did limit it to 100 because that's the max I could have made it. And we'll see if there's any like spam or nonsense that comes through. So if there is too much, I would go ahead and close this one. But we also, especially for you guys that like holding overnight, I have a little overnight chat room in there as well. So that should be kind of interesting. I hope that helps everyone. And the reason I set that up is because, yeah, just to give a place for everyone to chat, especially if, you know, I'm not streaming or if something, you know, if I get super sick again, or maybe one day I'm just not streaming because I'm on an airplane or something like that. I also don't know if you guys heard me before when there was bad internet, but I don't know. I typically stream till 10:30 to 11. I'm not sure how long I'm going to go today. My throat still hurts a little bit. I'm feeling like, I don't know, 80-85%. So I might stop streaming around, I don't know, like 10 o'clock or something like that. Just a little heads up. We don't have a lot of time left, but NBY, lead gapper, like I said, 16 million float. You know, I really like this support area. That's why I bought here. And I mean, long-term wise, this thing is a little sketchy. I'd be very careful, but we do have some really nice big gap days. So this could be an interesting move here. And I would probably be looking for maybe a move to about 2.5 or something around like 2 to 2.5, some sort of rally like that. So right now we're getting close, and I wouldn't mind maybe buying this again, but again, I don't know how much stress I want to put on my body, so I'm going to be extra careful today. And yeah, keep in mind, guys, the markets are negative. The SPY is down about 2%. So the markets are going to open a bit red. Let me check the scanner again here. We got a bit more on the scanner, but it's not super overwhelming. I got to say, NBY does look really good. Let's check out the second lead gapper, AVCO. This one has 25 million float, so a bit more. And you know what? It's been pulling off so far all morning. Some big support here at 1.77, but I'd probably go ahead and leave this one alone for now. We might have a nice little bounce off of here, but when I ran the scanner around 835, it was looking much better in this area. At the moment, I'm not really too interested in it. Does have some coronavirus news. I'll check out UCO. I already feel like I'm talking too much in my throat, so I'm definitely going to be limiting my talking today. UCO. Yeah, I don't day trade ETFs, even though it does look a bit like a penny stock. Could be great. I'm not sure. I probably won't give it too much attention though. Nice little bounce off of 128. This is not updating for some reason here. And there goes the update. All right, so we got another. Let's go ahead and go back to NBY and get ready for the market open. I'll be looking for about 800 shares this time. All right, guys, good luck, everyone. Quick little market open here. Really, really nice. I would definitely be buying NBY on any sort of pullback. Probably reducing my position size to about 600 shares now. Some aggressive selling right there in that first open. Remember, we did have kind of a strong run up here, so I want to be a little bit more careful. I know I'm not talking too much, but don't want to hurt my throat any more than I need to. Usually I would be walking myself through all the trades. I've kind of wore myself off this morning, actually, when the Wi-Fi was down. Always like 1.5 as potential pivot zones. Looking for a potential break above 1.65. If we don't get, I'll be closing out this trade relatively soon here. Close this trade at 160. Was looking for a bit bigger of a reversal. I probably should have went ahead and closed that a bit faster, maybe at 165, but I was looking for a break of 165. We didn't get that right away, and I didn't want to risk it, and it looks like it might happen again. Just need to kind of really maintain my heart rate and my stress overall. That's kind of what I'm honestly mostly focused on today. I don't want to get any more sick. So again, guys, I apologize if I'm not talking too much or anything like that. At least the stream quality is back up. VWAP is holding a bit. Volume is fading. Thanks, David, guys. Thanks for all the messages you guys left me on those posts, the community posts. I couldn't wait to come back, honestly. Here we go. We might actually break through 165 soon here, but I'm going to give it a bit more time. I don't like the amount of selling pressure. Plus, we're already up kind of a bit. Markets are red. Got to watch out on this one. Yeah, I could have sold this position size much quicker here, walked away with much more profit. EROS is below. I spent all morning studying all the past gappers of everything I missed from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So much stuff going on. I would love to recap it all, but it would probably kill me. So I'm just happy that I can be here a little bit with you guys, get some trading in again. Hopefully by maybe later this week I'll be 100% again, but I really don't want to push my luck. TRNX. Man, those swing trades are always stressful. Nice buy pre-market, Andrew. Really nice. If NBY cracks again, I'd probably consider buying it. It was a pretty aggressive 16% pullback that we had the first time. Let's say, I mean, I don't know if we're going to have that big of a pullback this time, but 150 looks like it's going to get cracked here. Whew. Smart Satoshi, that's what I should honestly be doing, even though I'm up 130 with small position size today, so that's pretty cool. This bad boy might get halted. Looking for a 5-minute setup here. Looks like we had a bit of a failed, maybe double top breakout. Really a little cup and handle. Man, 2 days ago I couldn't even open my mouth. I was like, whew. You guys should have seen me. It was probably the most miserable couple of days ever. Yeah, Callum, check out the community post on the community tab, and it's the first post. Say read more, and you'll see it there. If you see the picture of drugs, or antibiotics, I should say, you're in the right place. Thanks, Paul. I was a bit worried about myself too. I went to the hospital twice. On Friday, I was pretty miserable on Friday. Check out these sellers, guys. Be careful here. These are some big old sellers. Here we go. This could be a nice little VWAP retest coming up here. It's so nice to be trading again. Just be in the chat room with you guys. I was so upset on Wednesday when I couldn't, but I also couldn't eat, talk, or anything else either, so kind of had no choice. Wow, check that out, guys. Not too much volume though. Whew, yeah, thanks, bros. Me too. That was a pretty rough start with it, huh? Morning, Tommy. Good to see you again, man. I appreciate that. This is probably gonna be a bit shorter of a day though for me. I honestly feel like I can't hang around too long, or else I'm gonna collapse or something. Yeah, NBY is a bit tricky. I was kind of thinking about getting in around 30s, high 30s, but we never really hit that area. Now it looks like we're having a bit of a maybe a VWAP retest. Watch CYCC. I will check it out, but I don't even think I have the energy to watch two stocks right now. Or the internet speed. Yeah, recent reverse split. Decent percentages, pretty choppy, but nice little breakout here from 10. Could be good. NBY is definitely the lead runner on the day. Big volume, EROS as well, but percentage-wise, it's not moving as much. So I would be looking at NBY just because of the volume and the percentage gainer. I think this is really what everyone's looking at right now. Yeah, AVCT crushed, huh? Short seller paradise today from Gideon. There definitely could be a reversal at one point here. I'm not looking to get too aggressive at the moment. And yeah, just one more time for anyone that's wondering or doesn't know about the new Discord channel. I set it up after getting several requests for a place for to chat, either if I'm not streaming or if I'm sick. Just go to my channel and then under the community tab right here, just go ahead and click on this. It's a 100% free Discord chat. I think at one point we might limit it to new users. I don't want it to get spammy or overfilled with people that either we don't know or what's going on. But just click read more when you see the drugs, and there's the link. So I'll see you guys in there as well. Thanks, Tommy. I appreciate that. Shout out. The amount of sellers on NBY are kind of sketchy, huh? Five-minute, I don't really see a good setup. I mean, this support bounce was not too bad. 6% little bounce here, but I'm not really convinced yet. We could have a break above VWAP pretty soon, though. I would like to maybe get one more trade in, but nothing to rush. Check out this 15,000 shares going through. That's some. Gotta watch out. Oh, okay, a lot of buyers also just kind of coming in here as well. So we've definitely hit a key area again. Back at this kind of 1.48, and this is where my pre-market trade was. Check out the importance and the long-term support and resistance. It's actually looking kind of good again. This could be a bit of a reversal zone. Killer volume. Ternjoy says PENN. Seller's still pumping, but I gotta say, this is not looking too bad. Full pullback about 22%. Here we go. Looking for a bit more of a 5-minute setup here. Big buyers, wow, 146. Is that going to get shipped through or is that going to hold? That could be a... Some new selling pressure coming in again. gonna kind of watch this one from here. Checking for news. See if there's some sort of catalyst going on here that I don't know about. Could have been a reversal spot. Let's, kind of watch this one a little bit here. 35, that dip was... Thanks, Ryan, man. Happy to have you here. Checking my position size if I wanted to get it around 130. I've been under allocating all my trades just to reduce any sort of stress a trade gives me, to be honest. Except pre-market, that was extra reducing based on my rules of trading pre-market. Surprised NBY is selling off so aggressively. Going back to CYCC, pretty cool little move here. Now at 14 bucks. Did it get halted? Yeah, it got halted 3 times. Or no, wait, 1 second. Halted twice, it's halted right now. Nice little break on that 11, huh? Boom. Great call out for it, for sure. Boy Claws, good call. UROS pulling back. AVCO just getting destroyed like we were talking about pre-market. I'm not sure if you guys heard that, but I think so. I think the stream was okay by then. Did buying this one, you know, you could probably walk away with a good like 3 to 5% every time if you played it really safe. You just don't want to get caught in it, then it doesn't bounce, and then all of a sudden, whack, you're down 10%. You know, you got to watch out. Click. I don't know. Honestly, the market cap on EROS is just extremely large. Shares outstanding as well. It's not really something I want to be trading, to be honest. So much selling off as well. They have a nice merger agreement. some good catalysts. Could be a great swing trade. I don't know enough about that to comment on any sort of long-term trading, but right here, directions and transition, yeah. Probably just a little bit of profit taking, honestly. Boom, buyers are looking like they're a bit in charge again here for the first time. Still, most of the spikes are all sell volume, so just kind of watch out for that. I'm not ready to get aggressive on NBY just yet. Buying this dip here would have been good. I would have sold for like a 3% profit though, and I only have one trade left, so I didn't take it. What's up, Johnny? I don't know if you're talking to me or not, but I've been super sick. Not coronavirus. Tonsillitis. This could be it. This could be a break back above the resistance zone. Kind of feel it coming, but I'm not going to trade it. Oh yeah, those buyers are getting it. Still not going to be trading this one. Paul says VBIV. I think I'm gonna take a seat. 1 second. Bring my whole table lower here. Oh. All right, that's how you do it. So why is my computer so slow today? Market cap and float are much bigger than I want to be trading on these, and perfect entries and exits also aren't the biggest percentage mover, but it's going the right direction. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, I don't know much about this one. Doesn't have any catalyst for today, so it must be some news that came out a few days ago. It's still kind of rocketing off that move. This is what I was worried about here with the NBY. CYCC halted. Potentially. What platform are you using, Carmela? Kind of want to focus here on NBY for a second. Big buyers here. Definitely, definitely join the Discord, Satoshi. We got a whole entire overnight chat room now. I know Heiko's probably gonna be hawking in there. I'll post the link here as well, but I showed you guys a few times where to find it as well in the community tab. Man, I would have swore some bad news came out or something with the amount this thing is selling off. It's just ridiculous. I see you guys calling out tickers. I'll check them out soon. I'm keeping a close eye on NBY. I'd be surprised if the support held here, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's going to have a reversal. This could be also the end. But there could be a really good dip buy bounce trade at one point. We definitely have some big support in the 20s. Nice, Satoshi. Johnny's wondering if I'm in a position with NBY, and I am not. I've traded it twice now, pre-market right here, and then on this bounce, NBY. Tiny position sizes today. You can see only 600 shares, so really, really small position sizes. Mainly because I'm sick, and then this trade overall is just because I was pre-market trading, and I always want to reduce my risk pre-market trading. Just about a perfect double bottom here, huh? 3% bounce so far. It's actually not looking too bad right now. It's quite a solid little bounce I've had there. Still not that much volume though. I don't know if we'll see it back over 1.5. So many times we just see a stock that just sells off the rest of the day. CYCC. I'll go ahead and check this one out again. This has definitely been one of the second lead runners today. Yeah, it's a really nice move, guys. I'm not sure what it'd make out with NBY. I don't know. I don't see a clear 5-minute setup or necessarily 1-minute setup or anything like that. So at the moment, I'm not trading it. Yeah, I thought so too. Tia, I checked the FAQs below. I go over my scanners there. All right, guys. NBY could be a really good trade here. It looks like CYCE is also really good. I was going to wrap up at 10, but kind of wanted to watch this a little bit more because I thought I was going to do a trade with NBY. I'm going to wrap up here, though, because I'm still sick and I really don't know if I could stream any longer without collapsing. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little rest. Woo. Good seeing everyone again. I'll be coming out with a recap video later today, so definitely stay tuned. I appreciate all the likes, guys, as well. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We go live every day the market's open at 9:15 a.m. except the last 3 days because I was extremely sick. So, good luck trading, everyone, guys. Sorry it was a little slow start. I'll see you later then. And don't forget to check out the Discord link, especially for you guys like Satoshi holding overnight. All right, I gotta get off. Ciao, ciao, guys.